In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Siri on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So simply just open settings and provide full guide and step by step. Please don't skip my video. Open settings, go to your main settings page, scroll down and showing it to Siri. I'm get turn on option, press on to turn on. So this new Siri iPhone iOS 27 beta version Siri AI, press on. Click on this option and now it's turn off. Select Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Say Hey Siri, what's some fun thing I can do indoors on a rainy day? Rainy day. Second step, Hey Siri, set an alarm for 50 minutes. And the third step, Hey Siri, okay, and make sure to turn on press side button for Siri. I'm already turned on and you just say Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, now it's working. So that's how we can easily enable this.